Next-gen connectivity, powering the future of a connected world. Next-gen connectivity refers to the advanced communication technologies and infrastructure that are shaping the future of digital interaction. It encompasses ultra-fast, low-latency, and highly reliable network systems, such as 5G, Wi-Fi 7, satellite internet, fiber optics, and emerging technologies like 6G and quantum internet. These next-generation solutions are designed to support the growing demands of our hyper-connected society, enabling everything from smart homes and self-driving cars to telemedicine and immersive virtual reality. Key characteristics of next-gen connectivity. Ultra-fast speeds. Next-gen networks provide blazing fast data transfer rates, with 5G reaching up to 10 gigabits per second and Wi-Fi 7 offering significant improvements over previous standards. This allows users to stream 4K per 8K video, play online games, and download large files with zero lag. Low latency. Critical for real-time applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation, next-gen connectivity ensures latency as low as 1 millisecond, enabling near-instantaneous data exchange. Massive device support. With billions of connected devices expected by 2030, technologies like 5G and future 6G networks are built to handle massive machine-type communications, MMTC, with high reliability and scalability. Energy efficiency. Many next-gen technologies prioritize sustainability, using less power to transmit more data, which is crucial for both the environment and battery-powered devices. Intelligent networks. Future connectivity includes AI-driven, self-optimizing networks that adapt in real time to changing user demands, traffic conditions, and network performance. Applications of next-gen connectivity. Smart cities, real-time traffic management, automated public services, energy-efficient buildings, and enhanced public safety systems. Healthcare, remote diagnostics, telemedicine, wearable health monitors, and connected medical equipment. Industry 4.0, autonomous robots, predictive maintenance, smart manufacturing, and industrial IoT. Education, immersive e-learning experiences through AR/VR, cloud classrooms, and high-quality video conferencing. Transportation, connected and autonomous vehicles, intelligent traffic systems, and logistics tracking. Entertainment, seamless cloud gaming, 360-degree VR content, and instant access to multimedia content anywhere. Emerging technologies in next-gen connectivity. 6G, projected to be 100 times faster than 5G. 6G will enable futuristic applications like holographic communication, brain-computer interfaces, and advanced AI integration. Quantum Internet promises ultra-secure data transmission and new levels of encryption using quantum mechanics. Nearlink and Li-Fi, low-latency alternatives to traditional wireless standards for specialized industrial and indoor use. Challenges ahead. Despite its potential, next-gen connectivity faces several challenges, including high deployment costs. Infrastructure upgrades are expensive and require global coordination. Security and privacy. More connected devices mean greater vulnerability to cyber threats. Digital divide. Ensuring equitable access across rural and underserved areas remains a major concern.